Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. The ONT, power, and Ethernet must be present. Plug the fiber cable into the ONT, then connect the power adapter. This powers the modem and starts auto detection. Once the LED turns stable blue, you'll use the registered mobile to complete activation. Enter the OTP when prompted. Make sure the SIM or Fiber MAC is visible on the welcome sticker. This links your account to the hardware, so activation proceeds without delays or mismatches. Once the ONT is active, connect the router's WAN port to the ONT using the Ethernet cable. Then, on your laptop or phone, open 192, 168, 29, 1 or the Jio Fiber app to log in as admin. You'll set a new SSID and a strong password. Configure 5 GHz for high throughput, enable guest Wi-Fi if you want separation, and set Co-S to prioritize video or gaming traffic. Make sure to save and reboot the router, so all set. You finish by validating performance. Run a speedest wired and wireless, then compare measured Mbps to your plan so you can spot issues early. Change the default admin PIN and enable firmware auto updates for security. This prevents exploits. If internet fails, power cycle the ONT first, then the router, checking status LEDs for link and sync. If LEDs show no fiber lock, contact Jio support with the MAC and error details. Keep one key troubleshooting tip: always reboot before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.